guys, my name is Barnes and today I will show you how to do a kick turn. You can start to practice this on a flat surface. Just lift up your front truck gently, turn your shoulders and look where you want to go. Kick turn is basically a 180 turn on a transition or a ramp. Easiest way to learn is backside towards your toes. So when you go up the ramp, start to turn your shoulders and gently lift up your front wheels when you reach the highest point in the ramp. If you turn your shoulders all the way, your body will follow. Also, keep your head turning and when you turn your board and look where you go. So when you completed the turn, place your wheels back the transition, lean forward and ride away. When you practiced enough in a smaller one, just take it to another bigger one, bigger transition, bigger ramp, and just repeat the same. So when you go up and reach your highest point, lift up your front trucks, turn your shoulders and follow through with your head so you see where you're going. And one more thing is really important, don't put too much pressure on your back foot, otherwise you might do a manual down the ramp and I'm not sure if you're ready for it, but you will see when it happens. So that's about it. So you learn how to do a frontside kick turn. Thank you guys for watching the video. Go skate and have fun.